Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will go to the next concept of fifth modulo, that is consistency of a system of linear equations. You already know what are the linear equations. When we say the equation is linear, what is meant by linear equation? The equation which has degree 1. Those equations are called linear equations. Here we have to find the consistency of the given system of linear equations. Before going to examples, we have to understand some concepts and definition of consistent and inconsistent. Means when we say that the system of equation is consistent, whether and when we say the if given equations are inconsistent. Consider a set of m linear equations in n unknowns as follows. Here we have m number of linear equations with n unknowns. See, x11 a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus so on to plus a1n xn, which is equal to b1, and a21 x1 plus a22 x2 plus a so on to plus a2n xn, which is equal to b2, and so on to last equation is am1 x1 plus am2 x2 plus so on to plus amn xn, which is equal to bm. We are considering here m number of linear equations in n unknowns, where aij's means this a11 means here I value is 1, j value is 1, and bij's means this is here b1 b2 b3 so on to bm are constants. Means the a and the terms a and b are all constants here. See here, if b1 b2 so on to bm, when we say the equation is homogeneous, when this terms is equal to 0, then if a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus so on to plus a1n xn is equal to 0, then we say that this equation is linear. So this equation is homogeneous. Definition is, if b1 b2 so on to bm means these constants are all 0, the system is said to be homogeneous. Next point is a set of values x1 x2 x3 so on to xn which satisfy all the equations simultaneously is called a solution of the system of equations. What is the solution of the system of equation? If the set of values means this x1 x2 xn so on to xn values satisfies the given equations, then we say that the equation that is a solution of the system of linear equations. See these examples, you will clearly understand what is linear equation, what is homogeneous equations. See, we know that general form of linear equation is what? Ax plus b is equal to c. This is a linear equation. When c is equal to 0, this is what? Linear equation. Linear equation. When c is equal to 0, it will be what? Ax plus b is equal to 0, which is homogeneous equation. From these examples, you will clearly understand what is the equation, what is the homogeneous equation. This is linear equation, it is a homogeneous equation which is in linear form. Okay, this is linear. Then what is the quadratic equation? Quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. See here we have a highest degree is 2. We say this is a quadratic equation, this is a linear equation. Homogeneous means our constant, left hand side constant should be 0. Next is, to understand this point, I will take one example. See, the set of values x1, x2, x3, so on to xn, which satisfy all the equations simultaneously, is called a solution of system of equation. See, I will consider the equation. Two x plus 3 is equal to 0. I will consider this equation. Now we have to take the value of x in such a way that after substituting this value of x, we get LHS is equal to RHS. Here our LHS is 0. Means when we substitute the value of x, our RHS will also be equal to 0. To get LHS is equal to RHS, I will substitute x is equal to 1 by 2. We are not directly going to the x value that gives us LHS is equal to RHS. Let us check one by one. Check if x is equal to 1 by 2. I am assuming that x is equal to 1 by 2. When we substitute x is equal to 1 by 2, we will get 1 plus 3 is equal to 0, where 4 is equal to 0, which is not true. Next, I will consider x as something minus 1. Then it will be what? Minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 0. It will be 1 is equal to 0, which is not true. Similarly, you have to consider some more values to get LH is equal to RHS. When you substitute those values, you understand that we don't get any value which gives us LHS is equal to RHS for this equation. I will consider another equation, that is 2x plus something, it is 10 is equal to 0. Okay, now directly I will go to the value which gives us the LHS is equal to RHS. If x is equal to minus 5, then it will be what? Minus 10 plus 10 is equal to 0, which is equal to 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, RHS is equal to LHS. Okay, this means this is the value. This is the value, means this is the solution of this given equation. Okay. Why it is solution of this equation? Because it satisfies the given equation. Satisfies the given equation means when we substitute this value, we get LHS is equal to RHS. Similarly, consider another equation for your better understanding. I will consider other than 2, it will be 4x plus 17 is equal to 1. Here RHS is 1. We have to substitute the value of x in such a way that we get this RHS value is also equal to 1. For that, I will consider x is equal to 4. It will be what? Minus 4. It will be what? 4 into 4 for the 16. Here minus there. For it is a minus 16 plus 17 is equal to 1. Here minus 16 plus 17 means this 1 is equal to 1. Means this x is equal to minus 4 is the solution of this given equation. Why? Because this x is equal to minus 4 satisfies this equation. After substituting the value x is equal to minus 4, we get LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, x is equal to minus 4 is the solution of this equation. Next, definition of consistent. What is meant by consistent? When we say the given equations, linear equations are consistent, see, a system of linear equations equation is said to be consistent if it possesses a solution. If it possesses a solution means the given system of linear equation must have a solution. Means when we substitute some value of x, it will satisfy that equation. Means these are the consistent linear equations. Why? Because it has a solution. But this is not consistent. This is not consistent means we say this has a inconsistent solution. See, inconsistent. A system of linear equation is said to be inconsistent if it does not possess a solution. Okay, this is inconsistent, this is consistent. Here for matrix concept, we decided a consistent and inconsistency on the basis of rank of the matrix. Because here for given linear equations we form a matrix, so that we have to decide consistency and inconsistency for the given linear differential equation on the basis of matrices only, so that we use the concept of rank to define the consistency and inconsistency for the given linear equations. Next is condition for consistency and types of solutions. Let us see what are the conditions to say that the system of linear equations are consistent. And we have the two types of solutions here. According to that, we have to decide the consistency or inconsistency for the given system of linear equations. Consider a system of m equations in n unknowns represented in a matrix form, that is Ax is equal to b. Our first work for solving problem is we have to represent the given linear differential equation in the form of the matrix, that is Ax is equal to b. You already studied what is Ax is equal to b matrix, and you already know the matrix A is called a coefficient matrix. See, for given system of m equations in n unknowns, we have to write the given equation in matrix form. This is the form to write the given equation in the matrix, that is A is equal to, here unknowns are A11, A12, ANN and so on to A1n, and A21, A22, so on to A2n, and so on to AM1, AM2, so on to AMN. Here the variables are from 1 to n, because here we are taking system of m equations in n unknowns. X is equal to x1, x2, so on to xn. For this system of equations, we have n number of solutions which satisfies these equations, and another constant b is equal to b1, b2, so on to bm, where A is called a coefficient matrix. The matrix formed by appending A, means this is a matrix A, an extra column consisting of the elements of B is called the augmented matrix. What is mean by augmented matrix? This is the notation of augmented matrix. What is mean by augmented matrix? A matrix which is formed by appending to A, means A here, appending to A means the appending to a matrix A an extra column. We have to add an extra column consisting of the elements of the matrix B. That matrix is called augmented matrix, which is denoted by like this. Then the augmented matrix is written like this: A11, A12, so on to A1n, A21, A22, so on to A2n, and so on to AM1, AM2, so on to AMN. Here we have to form a augmented matrix formed by appending to a matrix A. This is a matrix A, an extra column which is consisting of the elements of B. This is the augmented matrix. Next, the condition is the system of equations represented by a matrix, represented by the matrix equation, that is Ax is equal to B, is consistent if this is what rank of A is equal to rank of the augmented matrix. Means the matrix which is formed by the elements of matrix A and matrix B. When we say the matrix is consistent, if the system of equations, first our work is what? We have to represent the given equations in the matrix form, that is Ax is equal to B. Then we have to write the augmented matrix. After that we have to calculate separately the rank of A and rank of the augmented matrix. If that rank of A is equal to rank of the augmented matrix, then only the given system of linear equations are consistent. In matrix theory, how to identify consistency and inconsistency? You have to first represent the given system of linear equation into the matrix equation, that is Ax is equal to B. Then you have to find before that you have to write the augmented matrix, which is formed by the element of A and element of B, and you have to find the rank of A and the rank of this augmented matrix. If the rank of the matrix A is equal to the rank of the augmented matrix, then only the given system of linear equations are consistent. Otherwise the given system of linear equations are inconsistent. This is the condition to identify the consistency of the given system of linear equations, which you have to remember. Okay, suppose rank of A is equal to rank of the augmented matrix is equal to R, then the conditions for two types of solutions are: consider the matrix of A and matrix of the augmented matrix is equal to R. R may be anything, means it may be 1, 2, 3 or the n. It may be also n. Here we are considering only a unknown number which is equal to R. Then we have the two types of solutions, that is unique solution. When the given system of linear equations have unique solution, unique solutions means only one solutions. Okay, if rank of A is equal to rank of the augmented matrix is equal to R, and which is equal to n. What are the n here? Where n being the number of unknowns. Okay, when you have a unique solution, if rank of A is equal to rank of the augmented matrix is equal to n, where n being the number of unknowns, you get only one solution, means unique solution for the given system of linear equations. Infinite solution, when you get the infinite solution, if rank of A is equal to rank of the augmented matrix is equal to R, which is less than n, means if you have number of unknowns are 3 and R value is 2, that means 2 is less than 3, then you have a infinite solutions. And in this case, n minus R unknowns can take arbitrary values, means in this case R minus n unknowns. N minus R means here n values are n means unknowns. If unknowns are 3 and the rank is 2, then n minus 3 minus 2 means 1. Unknowns can take arbitrary values, means you have 3 unknowns. Consider here, consider the equation. For example, x plus y plus z is equal to 2. 2x plus 3 plus 4 3y plus 4z is equal to minus 6, and something 9x minus 2y minus 3z is equal to 1. here we have number of unknowns x, y, z. Okay, and you get rank of the matrix A is equal to the rank of the augmented matrix is equal to 2, which is less than 3. Then you have to take n minus r means is equal to 3 minus 2, which is equal to n. You have to consider one values arbitrary. It may be anything at any unknown value, that is k or anything. Okay, you have to consider any one constant value is equal to something yourself. While solving examples, you will clearly understand this concept. Okay, next one is, here we have another point, that is and rank of A is equal to rank of A is not equal to rank of the augmented matrix, which implies that the system of linear equations are inconsistent. Inconsistent means what? Does not possess a solution. If you get the rank of A is equal to 2 and the rank of augmented matrix is 3, then we have to decide that the given system of linear equations are inconsistent. Okay, in the next class we will discuss the working procedures and problems.